Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video, as the title implies, I'm going to be sharing with you a step-by-step guide on how you can sign up for Exness account so that you can start your Forex trading journey. So in my recent videos, I'll be talking more about Forex, and I created a list of the top 5 best Forex trading websites that you can get started with. But I personally use Exness, so I decided to create a step-by-step guide on how you can also sign up for Exness, get your account verified, and also start making money with your Forex trading career as well. But this one thing I would advise, if you are a beginner also, don't forget, still watch this video because I'm going to show you how you can get a $10,000 worth demo account so that you can use to practice your Forex trading. Because for you to get started with Forex, it's always advisable you start with the demo account. And I'm going to show you how you can sign up with this video, activate your demo account, and then start practicing Forex trading with it. So if that sounds like you, don't forget to smash that subscribe button once I take you on my computer to take you through step-by-step guide on how you can sign up for Exness and get started with it. So if it sounds like you, then smash that subscribe button. Let's get started. So once you want to, so now you're on my computer, let me show you exactly how you can sign up for Exness. So the first thing you need to do is click on the link down in this video description. Then you come over to Exness official website. So once it brings you up to this page, all you simply have to do is that click on open account. So once you click on open account, now it's going to take you to a place whereby you can actually create your own account. So let's just wait for it to load up. So now this is how the interface looks. This is how the welcome, the sign up page actually looks like. So you come over here, country of residence, which is the country that you currently reside in. So I'm going to pick Ghana. Your email address. So I'm going to enter my email address. So after that, you enter your password. Then, so after I fill out everything, just click on continue. So now once you click on there, to bring you up to this new screen where you can actually get started with your trading setup. So now if you brought to this screen, choose trading account, demo account or real account. So the demo account is $10,000 virtual account and full access to the data, but you can withdraw. Whilst the real account, you deposit your real money, full access to the terminal, instant and automated withdrawal. So you simply choose the one you want to go. So if you are a beginner looking forward to get started with Forex trading, I advise you go for the demo account so that you can practice your trading there. And if you are an expert who is already good in Forex trading and you want to start, you just want to deposit and start trading, why not? You can go with your real account and that's all. So I'll simply look for demo account, and then you go and look for pairs that you can trade. So today is Saturday, so this is Saturday, so it's clear that I cannot trade on Saturday. Markets are closed on Saturdays. So if you want to get started with Forex trading, you need to know when markets are open, when markets are closed, so that you trade at the right time. So for today, Forex market is closed. However, you can also trade other pairs, like you can go trade the crypto pairs. So if you are someone who is interested in trading cryptocurrency, so you can trade crypto pairs because crypto market never closes. Or you can go trade other pairs like indices, like assets. You can go trade other things apart from real currency. So apart of the fiat, like GP, pounds against US dollar, pounds against Japanese yen. Out of this market, you can trade any other market at all, depending on the experience you have in those markets. So for me, when it comes to trading Forex, I only trade assets and then normal currencies like the fiat currencies. So I don't trade cryptos here. I trade cryptos or futures trade on either Binance or Bybit. So that's simply how you can sign up your Exness account and then switch between your real account or your demo account. So assuming you are done with the demo account, you want to switch over to your real account, you can come over here also, and here you can see download trading log. Like you can download their desktop app as well and use. So let me just switch over to the real account and show you how you can verify. So once you are in the real account here, you need to verify identity before you can deposit or do anything. Let me hit on deposit. I think that will take me to a verification tab. So these things are really necessary. You need to verify your account before you can start trading or before you can withdraw your funds. So once you are done creating your account on your computer, you can simply come over to your mobile phone and do all the necessary verification there, because it's really important. Without verification, you are highly exposed, like you are exposed to losing any amount of money you've made here. They can seize your funds and you have nothing to do. Secondly, the platform might not even allow you to withdraw until you do your verification. So make sure that you have the necessary information to verify your account before you get started. You see, all these are literally locked for now. I see all these are locked. This is simply because you haven't verified your account, so you can't even deposit. So click here. Once you click on complete profile, now you see every information needed for you to actually get started with your verification. For me, I have verified my account, so I won't get the chance to verify. So the first one, you need to verify your phone number, your email address, next your phone number, and finally your personal information. So you can simply come and they will give you every single instruction needed to verify them. For me, I'm not going to verify anything. I don't need to verify anything because I already have a verified account that I'm using. You can see the snapshot on your screen right now. So hello guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment as well. With that already said, have a nice day. Bye.